Hello. Welcome to Mindfall Theory. The hallway smelled like lemon squares and old wood. It was a comforting smell, the kind that makes you lower your guard. Leo stood in the doorway of apartment 4B, wiping sweat from his forehead. Arthur, the old man who lived there, was trembling slightly. He looked fragile. "I'm so sorry to bother you, Leo," Arthur whispered, clutching his chest. "It's just that desk. It's too heavy for me." Leo smiled. He said, "Don't worry, Arthur. I got it." It took 20 minutes to move the mahogany desk 3 inches to the left. Leo's back screamed in protest, but when Arthur handed him a glass of cold lemonade, Leo felt a warm glow in his chest. He felt like a good person. That was Tuesday. On Wednesday, Arthur needed help changing a light bulb. He told Leo, "You're the only one I trust." On Thursday, it was a jammed window. Arthur said, "You're such a strong young man." Leo didn't notice the pattern. He didn't see that every favor was a wire stitching them together. He just felt responsible for Arthur, protective. Then came Saturday night, midnight. A frantic knock on Leo's door. It was Arthur. He was pale. "Leo, the basement," he gasped. "I heard something. Please." Leo didn't hesitate. He grabbed his flashlight. He didn't grab his phone. He didn't even lock his own door behind him. Why would he? He was just helping Arthur. The basement was cold, silent. "Where did you hear it?" Leo asked, sweeping the light over the damp concrete. Arthur didn't answer. Leo turned around. Arthur was standing at the top of the stairs, but he wasn't trembling anymore. He wasn't hunched over. He stood straight, calm, and in his hand, he was holding Leo's spare house key, the one Leo kept on his kitchen counter. "Arthur?" Leo asked. Arthur smiled. It wasn't a nice smile. "Thank you for the help, Leo," Arthur said softly. "You made this very easy." The heavy basement door slammed shut. The lock clicked. Leo stood in the dark, and upstairs, directly above him, he heard footsteps walking into his own apartment.